Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test video, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays, and feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, and Discord. Links, as always, will be in the description below. So today we are trying the recent flavor Cheetos Mexican street corn. Now, I don't know what to expect from this since I've never had Mexican street corn before. It looks like there's going to be a lime flavor to it, along with cheese. I don't know what else. At the top it says tangy, spicy, cheesy, so... And at the back it says all the elote flavors. Not sure what the word elote means, but there's the word so you can see it. But let's see how these taste. Okay, I'm not sure that I like this flavor. It's got a tanginess to it. The cheesiness is there. You know, the more I have of these, the more they're actually not that bad. That first taste, I think, was just so different to anything I've ever had before. It threw me off. I actually kind of like these. Not gonna lie, these are actually kind of fire. Like, the lemon flavor isn't overpowering. The cheese flavor is stronger, I think. I do taste a little corn. You know, it does have a spiciness to it. You know, you can definitely feel it in the back of your throat, but it doesn't seem too bad. Like, the first bite was so alien to my taste buds that I wasn't sure whether or not I liked it, but after subsequent chips, that one's a winner. If you've not had them before, I do highly recommend getting them, because damn, those are good. Alright, well, hopefully everyone did enjoy this taste test. I'll be back with another soon. This has been DMC Jedi Man, and I'm signing off. Peace, everybody.